Hello everybody, this is George with Melnix Automotive. In this video, I'll show you how to reset maintenance required light on a 2015 through 2000, pretty much 20 Acura TLX. Here's what I'm going to do. So you want to go ahead, if you have a push button start, just don't press the brake, hit the on button twice. Your ignition will turn on like this. Next, what I'll do, I'll use this scroll button here. You want to scroll through all the way to a vehicle settings. So if you go upwards, it's quicker, but if you go downwards, you're going to have to go through all the settings. As soon as you get to vehicle settings, what you're going to do, you're going to take this, you're going to press it down to select it. Again, now you have to use the scroll to go up again, just like this. Exit, default, okay, maintenance info. You're going to press enter, and then go up to reset, press enter, and this should reset it and you should be good to go. Now just turn the vehicle back off. Once you start your vehicle, there's no more message, mains required soon. As you can see, everything is gone, everything has been resetted. Once again, thanks for watching. This was George with Melnix Automotive. As you can see, my oil life is 100%.